The law that changed women's rights. I'm Dr. J.W. Ayub.
Anyway,
The defect in the design. The building is finished, the architects have gone home, the doors open, then the first crack appears. Not in the intention, in the design. Because Parliament wanted to protect people from discrimination. Yeah, that purpose matters, but good intentions do not guarantee good architecture, good political architecture. As a matter of fact, political architecture can go terribly wrong. A law must also survive the moment when two protected interests collide. And this is where the design faces its test. A biological female boundary exists, a female sporting category, a female-only service, a changing space. Then a biological male person protected on the ground of gender identity encounters that boundary. Both sides may believe the law protects them. So who moves? Sport makes the problem brutally visible. A place cannot always belong to two people. If a male-bodied athlete enters a limited female position, another female athlete may lose that opportunity. The new inclusion can therefore create another exclusion. And if the woman objects, she may face another choice. Accept change boundary or carry the cost of challenging it. And that is not merely a dispute between individuals, it may reveal a defect in the political architecture. Because the political architects created the framework within which this collision occurs. They chose the definitions, they accepted the protections and vulnerabilities, they considered or failed to consider the safeguards. Then institutions inherited the problem. Excuse me, viewers. Courts interpret it, sporting bodies administered it, businesses confront it, and women experienced it. And 13 years later, the architects can examine something they could not see on the drawing board. The structure under load. That does not prove the parliamentary architects deliberately designed these consequences. It asks whether experience is exposed to weakness in the original construction. Because when the same boundary repeatedly produces conflict, eventually the question cannot remain, who is causing the trouble? It becomes, is there something wrong with this design? And there definitely is. And if there is, the people who constructed it cannot permanently leave anyone else to repair it, which is what they're doing. The architects must return to the table and fix the problem they have designed.